How to track your order in Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily track your order in Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application and navigate to your profile. So simply click on the U icon at the bottom. Then after in the profile section, you can see the option of your orders. Simply click on it. And then after choose the order which you want to track, and then after in the details of that order you can see the option of track. When you click on it, you will see the list of steps that has already been completed and which is remaining. So the one in orange color, that is order shipped, is the remaining ship, and that's it. That is how easily you can track your order on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.